Hello, Showtimers! Today we're unboxing a Humvee from Art Cars. Yay! Let's open this car out. It has off-road tires that are muddy, has a snake, has a N, and Hot Wheels logos. Next to the snake too. I'm finished.